everyone, my name is Anmol and in today's video I am going to show you 5 easy tips and tricks for Windows 11. So without wasting any time, let's begin with the video. Before I start with the video, I noticed that 77% of my viewers have not subscribed to my channel. If you like my content, then please subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified whenever I upload my new video. So now let's begin with the first tips and tricks, which is taskbar. If you use Windows 11, then you might have noticed that the apps on a taskbar are aligned in the center. But if you want to align your apps on the left side just like in Windows 10, then follow some of these steps to align your apps on the right side of your taskbar. To begin with these steps, right click on your taskbar and open taskbar settings. Now you will see the option of taskbar behavior. You have to click on this option, and on the top of the list you will see the option of taskbar alignment. You have to set it as left instead of center. Now you can see your taskbar is aligned to the left side. Now let's move on to the next tips and tricks, which is dictation with auto punctuation. In simple words, it is basically speech to text. To use this amazing feature, open Notepad or Microsoft Word and now press Windows key plus H key on your keyboard, which will open dictation tool, in which you have to turn on auto punctuation in its settings. Then click on that mic icon and dictate whatever you want to write. Let's move further to our next tips and tricks, which is Windows snapping. You all might know what is Windows snapping, but in Windows 11 we get only limited snap layouts. But some of the people need some more snap layouts. For them, Microsoft has introduced a new app which is called Power Tools. It is basically lets you to design your own snap layouts. Let me show you that how you can design your own snap layout. To begin with designing your new snap layout, open Power Tools app and move to Fancy Zone. In Fancy Zone, you will get an option of Launch Editor. This editor already comes with some snap layouts. If you are not satisfied with these snap layouts, then you can design your own snap layout. I hope you all found these tips and tricks useful. If you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.